Hello. Good night, teacher. My name is Rocio Rondon. I am studying engineering industrial. I am University UNAT. 5 question takes 4. 1. What are the most visited places of tourist attraction in the your city? The most famous in the Caribbean live music due to the historic city and the navigation and the poison whirlwind, the mission, the of course the Columbia River. 2. What place have you missed visiting on the trip? On my trip, forgot in the visit the Ushus Monument, the Clock Tower, and the San Felipe Castle. For the short time I was there. 3. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? What? 1. The motion and the incredible activity was definitely diving in the Caribbean Sea. 4. What was the most inexpensive place you visited in the city? In a small peninsula on the south and the neighborhood of Boca Grande, Laguito, and Castillo Grande, which are the most exclusive neighborhoods Cartagena de Indias. 5. What was the cheapest place you visit in your city? There are many new places visit, such as the San Felipe Castle for the Warren City. I mount offered, and they are very interesting place to visit. Thank you.